Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to talk about statistical questions. Okay, this is the topic of statistics. So let's start the topic. This is very easy lesson for you. See, first of all we'll discuss what is the meaning of statistical questions. Okay, see, question means basically we know that if we ask any interrogative sentence or question mark sentence, then that is called in the form of question, like what is your name, where do you live, what subject do you like most. Okay, so let's start with an example. For example, if I ask you that how many emirates how many emirates are there in UAE. Okay, this is one question. How many Emirates are there in UAE? And question number two is what drink do you like most? What drink do you like most? Okay, now try to understand the difference between these two questions. In first question, I say how many Emirates are there in UAE. So doesn't matter from how many people I am asking. Maybe I ask from 1000 people, maybe I ask from 10 people, maybe I ask from 1 million people. Okay, everybody's answer will be the same. Why? Because it has a fixed answer. How many Emirates are there in UAE? 7. So everybody will say 7. There will not be any change in the answer. Yes, provided the answer is correct, of course. Now, see the second question. What drink do you like most? So, for example, if I ask from you, you may say, I like Coke. Okay, some of you say, I like Pepsi. Some of you say, I like Sprite. Some of you say, maybe I drink Red Bull. Okay, or some of you may say, I drink mango shake or anything. Okay, so there will be a variety of answers. Answer will not be fixed. So we have two types of questions. One question where answers will be always fixed, like the first question you see, whatever answer, whatever number of people you ask the question, answer will remain same. And but in the second question, if you see, answers will vary. Okay, if you have a big crowd, then you will have big number of options there, so many drinks they will tell you. Yes, so, what is the meaning of here statistical question? Statistical question means the questions which whose answer will be more than one. Okay, so statistical question means the questions whose answers or whose answers may vary. Okay, so you will have a variety of answers, okay, whose answer may vary. That is called statistical question. Okay, now just try to understand with another example. If I say how many continents are there? These questions I am taking from your book. How many continents are there? So you see, if you have the knowledge of the geographic map of world, then you can easily understand that this question will have fixed answer because number of continents are fixed. So it means this is not a statistical question. Maybe in the exam you can have this question, that which of the following question is not a statistical question. Okay, so if you have fixed answer, means answers will be same for every student, then it will not be statistical question. But if you have a variety of the answers, then then it will be a statistical question. Okay, for example, you can have how many sporting event did the average student attend last year? Okay, sporting event student attended last year. Student attended last year. Okay, now this answer will vary, okay, because some of the students may say I attended 5 sporting series, 5 sporting events. Some of you say I attended 10 sporting events, okay. 10 sporting event means 10 types of sports, okay. So if answer vary, then it is called statistical question. What do you say? Statistical questions. Okay, so this is a very simple topic for you, and I am sure you will get some questions from this in exam also. Now, let's further move to another topic, which is called frequency. Frequency means, its simple meaning is repetition. Frequency means repetition. Okay, see, I'll write here, or in statistical language, you can say number of occurrences. Number of occurrences, or the number of repetition. For example, in your class, suppose in grade 6-1, if you have Muhammad for 3 or 4 times, like I can say Muhammad Majid, Muhammad Omar, Muhammad Saeed, okay. So all these first name is Muhammad. So how many names are there? Mathalan, for example, you see 5. So name or frequency of this name will be 5. Okay, so what is the meaning of frequency? Frequency meaning the number of repetition. Whatever it is repeated, that is called frequency. Okay, for example, suppose we have this question. You want to determine number of each sibling your classmate have. You survey them using the question, how many siblings do you have? The responses were, okay, see, this is just a practical question, that in your class you are doing this thing. You are going to every student and you are asking that how many siblings do you have? So they, some of them are saying I have 1 sibling, some of them are saying 4, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to organize the data in terms of frequency. So what you can do here, first column you can take number of siblings, number of siblings, and then after you can have frequency. Frequency means how many answers are repeated for that. Okay, so number of sibling may be 0 to 1, it can be 2 to 3, or it can be, I'll write little away from this, 2 to 3, and then you can have 4 to 5, and then you can have 6 or more. Okay, now you see 0 to 1. 0 to 1, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. So 8 answers are there from 0 to 1. So 8 is the frequency from 0 to 1 number. Okay. Now 2 to 3, how many numbers are there? You see, from 2 to 3 we have to count. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So 6 frequency there for 2 to 3. Okay. Now next frequency is what? Next is 4 to 5. So 1, then 2, then nothing, only 2. Here 2 comes. 4 to 5, 6 or more. So how many numbers are there which are 6 or more? Just only one number. So its frequency is 1. Okay. So if you see, if you make the total of all these numbers, then that will be the number of students to whom you survey. Okay. So like this you can solve the question. So what you will remember here, my dear students, you will remember frequency means the number of repetition, number of occurrence, how many times a number you have written, that is called frequency. Okay, I am sure you have understood this lesson, and if you think that such videos will help to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.